1990, immigration to the US for astronomical salary and a startup in Silicon Valley was quite in a trend. In 1991, India began reducing restrictions on foreign investments. With this, Western companies started recruiting thousands of engineers. To cope with the high demand, government accredited tons of engineering schools. Parents were ready to pay lakhs and lakhs for getting a seat in engineering college. Engineering was the key to success. Once engineering was well known as a system of designing and building stuff, or in a simpler term, practical applications of science, became just a normal degree. Parents' mindset has always been to make their children either engineer or doctor. Well, they end up with engineering because the seats available for doctors are very less and fee for the course is very high. Many engineering schools do not encourage teaching through applications, with exceptions like IITs, NITs and some A-level schools, but these are quite exclusive. Lower tier schools follow outdated resources, have poor teaching staff, poor student interaction, and only care how many awards the institution gets rather than what their students achieve. Exams are preferred over projects. It has become a quiet business hub. There are 3,500 engineering schools as per AICTE, which controls technical colleges and universities in India. Best jobs are reserved for IITs, NITs and A-level schools. 80% of the graduates do not have programming skills to work in a software company. 20 to 30% do not find jobs and end up doing other works below their technical qualification and salary. 50 to 75% of engineers end up doing IT jobs. And only 7.49% of engineers get core jobs. The new annual employability survey 2019 report by Aspiring Minds reveals that 80% of Indian engineers are not fit for any job. So engineering got a bad reputation. The situation is such that AICTE announced it would stop accrediting new colleges till 2022. Well, these problems have opened a new door for engineers. There can be numerous reasons why engineering schools sucks, but those reasons have become a fundamental block for engineering success. The top CEOs of today's world are engineers. Not only in the engineering field they do well, but tops in other fields as well, like Bollywood and YouTube for instance. Self-learning, ease of changing fields have been mastered. A highly frequent number of exams has taught us well to handle the pressure at work. To be successful in any career, these qualities are looked after, like team player, self-updating with skills, problem solving, creativity, analytical ability, communication skills, logical thinking, attention to detail, mathematical ability, and leadership. Out of these, most of the qualities develops knowingly or unknowingly because of its curriculum, examination methodology, and engineering practices. Learning of computer skills provides advantage. Engineers do not hesitate to experiment. Preparing reports, seminars, presentations develop office skills. Joining technical events gives exposure to the real world. Mathematical complexity has always been the blood of an engineer. Combination of these qualities make engineer to work in any field. It's a matter of time when they believe in their qualities. And still, people have not lost the craze in engineering. In recent, the government has taken quite numerous steps, like increasing foreign investment, limiting engineering seats, and ensuring the standard of engineering schools.